Look! Put the trees back!
No, Director Simon. I obey the law. Can't break land rules.
Leo, for old time's sake!
Just put them back.
Stop! Who said you could cut my trees?
What is the hurry, Leo?
Director, you cut my windbreak. What is your game? Leo, look at your pathetic trees. After 4 p.m., shadows fall on my long staple cotton, which is premium export goods. Worth a fortune per ounce. My yield drops. Can you pay? These poplars are this Gobi's lifeblood. Without them blocking wind, all we grow gets shredded by sand. You cut these trees, and if a black storm hits, you are killing us all! All I know is, you are blocking my sun. Leo, quit your alarmist talk! Our village, no big storms for years! You envy Simon's land lease, and we built greenhouses! You envy our wealth!
Don't blame the storm! Chop them down now!
Leo, I came here today, so it is not your call! 10 years planting. Your poplar roots spread wildly. County maps show. The roots under your trees, 2 meters past the red line, in writing. This ain't plantings, it is malicious encroachment!
Just 2 meters. I'll just cut the overhang. Trim to the line.
Level it! Are you kidding? Read the document! Return land to original! You think trimming the crown works? Roots go deep and spread far. You know that. I don't just want the crown. I want over the line. Roots below. Everyone dug out! You hear me? Even fine roots must be cleared. Start digging yourself. Don't make us do it for you.
Fine. You want sun and water, right?
Smart move! Remember, within 3 days, if below 1 root of yours left, I'll call it breach!
Since you are asking for it, let's see if your cotton and greenhouses can survive the black storm.
Hey, Leo. Out drinking with the boys. What is up?
Need trucks for melons.
Get all your excavators, bulldozers, and chainsaw guys. All of them. By 10 p.m. tonight. Head to my melon field.
Leo, what are you talking about? I have 5 heavy excavators, 30 workers. At night, level a mountain.
I am not joking. Uproot trees now. The windbreak. Uproot all of them.
None left.
Leo, you are crazy. If it is gone, wind blows, sandstorm hits town. What is going on?
Simon has the map. 2 meters over. Force me to fix it. The villagers blame me. Their income.
Bullshit. Over 2 meters? Just trim. I uproot all. Wait, I'll bring my crew. Who dares touch them?
Blake. 200,000 transferred. Just the deposit. Triple pay tonight. Night bonus for all. I'll give 5,000. Finish before dawn. I'll pay the remaining 800,000.
Leo, men and machines. All brought as you said.
Blake, look closely. Red line at the trunk. Tonight, not just cut trunks. Focus on roots. The bucket. Dig deep. Roots crossing the line.
Even finger thick. Cut and dig it out!
Before dawn, I want this slope to be bare.
All right, take the money. Do the job. Don't just stand. Chainsaw team, go! Start the excavators. Follow! Excavators, dig out those roots!
Leo, all uprooted clean. Not a single twiglet. See for yourself.
Final payment done. Take the crew home. Today's events stay buried.
Oh, my goodness. Wife, come out and look. Trees are gone! Leo's tree is really gone!
My heavens! Such a wide view! No shade at all!
Huh. That coward looked tough yesterday. Behind our backs, hired crews overnight. Smart move. Had enforcement come to demolish. Stripped the skin, he couldn't afford it.
Boss, look at our greenhouse. Today's sun, from 7:30 a.m.,
Shining straight in. No shadow at all. Temperature rising too fast.
our off-season crops can hit market half a month early.
Huh, isn't it? Blocked every afternoon. Damn trees for hours. Now it is better. Sunlight, all we want, and the groundwater. Leo dug out all tree roots. Now it is all ours. This year, everyone just wait to count money. Thanks to Simon for backing us up. Or else Leo's stubbornness would be so quick. Simon, look quickly. Leo has caved in. Uprooted all trees overnight. Left none for you. Very good. Check out this sunlight.
My premium long staple cotton.
Need exactly this. Peak photosynthesis. Yes, Boss Simon is wise. 2 weeks of light is enough. This cotton will sell for a sky-high price. Then your greenhouse vegetables? I'll pay top dollar for all! Let's go. Meet our law-abiding citizen. He cooperated. We should offer some comfort, right? Leo! Stop hiding like a turtle! Sunday's high already! Come out and face the sun!
What brings you here, Director Simon? I've uprooted the trees as required. Not just cut the roots. Roots and all. Got an excavator to dig them all out. Now I am not crossing the line, right?
Leo, oh Leo, I must commend you. Rule of law means following rules. I said cut 2 meters. You cleared the entire forest. That is very enlightened. Hi.
Can't help it. I have no money. Trees grow together, roots connected. If I didn't uproot them all, the remaining roots, if they grew just 1 inch more and crossed into your land again, I can't afford the penalty.
At least you know your place. Look at that. Without those old trees blocking, the wind blows through so freely. So much sun. My cotton now is truly enjoying a sun bath.
Yes, the wind is indeed much clearer than before.
Enough. Stop playing dead. Leo,
From now on, in this territory, keep your eyes open. Anger Boss Simon.
you'll regret it. Larry, notify all the harvesters. Prepare in advance. In 10 more days. This premium cotton, once it blooms. Now, harvest around the clock for 24 hours. After this job, I'll take you to the best restaurant in town. Celebrate. All right. Thanks, Simon. Riches. We'll get rich. Hey, Leo. It is scorching out. Are you lifting weights?
Exercising.
Look, Leo. Scared of Simon. Gone nuts? It is August. Almost 40 degrees out. No ventilation. Sealed with sandbags. What? Fierce sunlight? Roast your melons? Hey, look at that. Just some ants moving. Not worth watching. Hey, Leo. You are just like these ants now. One word from Simon. Your old forest all turned to dust. Copy Larry earlier. Work for Boss Simon. You'd be living high on the hog now.
No sale, no stay. Go.
What is the big deal? Once Boss Simon sells his cotton, seafood in town daily. In your pit? Nah, on your worthless melons. Quick! No, darling! Nice sun today! No clouds! Everyone, hurry it up!
Roll up the plastic skirts under the greenhouses. Roll them all up for some air.
Larry, this skirt's up too high. What if a big wind comes? Even with the windbreak before, we wouldn't roll them up that high.
You know nothing. Trees were blocking before. No sun came in. Not warm enough. Trees all gone now. Sunday blazing down, so the greenhouse heats up. At least 45 degrees. Roll up the skirt to vent. Tomatoes and cukes for market. They'll rot in the greenhouse. Besides, is it really windy now? This breeze is refreshing. Hurry, roll it up, Simon said. If the veggies are good, he pays top dollar. Whoever spoils them, not a single penny. Winston, it is so muggy today. Not even a breeze. Dry air's burning my throat. Should the workers rest?
Rest. Forget it. Simon called earlier. Leo's trees, all uprooted. Daily sunlight will last longer. Stronger sunlight, evaporation speeds up.
But this guy looks a bit off.
Crank up the drip irrigation. For this cotton, in its stage, give it a thorough watering.
What the heck? Why is this iron pipe still live? Stop shouting! Keep it up and I'll stew you tonight!
What is that?
It is a black storm! Aye! Where is Leo's windbreak forest? Leo uprooted all trees last night. Not a single one left. Oh my gosh! My greenhouses! Uncle Larry! Help! Uncle Larry! Run! Leave the greenhouse! Go back to the village and get into the brick house! Get down! Everybody down! Cover your mouth and nose! Fire! Fire! It is the cotton! It is burning! It is over. Everything's gone! Mr. Simon will kill me!
Is this windfall of wealth, this all-natural sunbath? Time to inspect the harvest. Wait for workers to clear the sand. The melons, still a bumper crop. Even from this storm, the temperature gap, sweetness will rise further. Long staple cotton, total failure. Can't even sell it. Clear the rut, clear it out, re-level the land, all require a huge labor cost. The land is ruined.
Leah! You bastard! You knew about the Black Storm!
You've been here for 10 years.
You must have seen it coming! Leo! How can you be so cruel? You ruined my multi-million-dollar investment!
We're all neighbors! You just wanted revenge! But helplessly, greenhouse is blown away! I've lost everything! I am buried in debt to the hardware store! Compensate us! Refuse, and we'll fight you today!
Leo. You today. You have to give us an explanation! Don't run!
No pay today! We'll tear down your greenhouse!
Compensation? Simon, you are a big city businessman. Did it shock you too much? Gone crazy? Or the desert wind? Blown your memory away? Who said, my trees block your cotton's light?
Take your groundwater.
Cut your earnings. Who brought this official document? And these people at my doorstep gave me 3 days to clear cut the trees. No trespass, not one bit. To leave no dead corners. I paid $200K. Uprooted the windbreak. Gave back sun and groundwater. Every last drop returned to you. My trees were cut legally and properly. Uprooted. It is my property.
My right to dispose.
It is in black and white. Return farmland to original state. I did it by your rules. I did it.
You are twisting words! You are clearly malicious! You are out to destroy us!
Incredible fortune. This natural sunbath. Enjoy it yourselves.
My money! My cotton! I am finished.
You bastard!
Hey up, Larry! You owe me for the greenhouse!
It is all gone.
This tea smells great.
Easy! Easy! Padded thicker below. Netted melons, top grade. Break one, I'll hold you responsible. Leo, your melons this year are incredible. I saw the forecast. A black storm hit here. My heart sank. Thought the crop was ruined. Oh no. Your ground growing technique. Plus these days, sand-induced temperature swings. Melon sweetness increased sweetness by 2 degrees.
Louis, you are kind. It is all thanks to the heavens.
I'll purchase all these acres. Price based on last year, plus 50 cents a pound. 20 grand for truck loading. For the guys' drinks, fruit money, paid to your account. Check it. Okay. Push harder, guys!
This is yours, Blake.
Thanks, Leo.
Tell the guys to work carefully.
Hey, got it, Leo. Push harder. All good. Hey, everyone, come over here, everyone.
Larry, Leo's melon truck. What is it worth? He didn't even count. He gave $20,000 to the foreman.
Shut your mouth! Go steal it! Look at that door! That machete! Will you agree? My greenhouses! What have I done to deserve this?
Larry, quit faking! Get over here! Trying to run?
Oh. Oh, Walter! Let me explain. You came to my shop last month. You signed it!
But stopped it!
300k gal pipes and thick anti-drip film.
Pay after greenhouse veg sold and clear the principal plus interest. Look at this. Look. Veggies, the greenhouse, no intact pipes left. 300k for materials. Commit. Court today. I'll seize your house too. Walter, listen to me. Black Storm, all gone. I know. I can't spare $10. With what? No money?
No money. We'll pursue legal action per the contract. To court, file enforcement. List you debtors list. Then, all your assets will be frozen and auctioned legally.
Hold on. Find Walter. You find him. Simon told us to build the greenhouses. He pay in full. Pay for veggies. He dragged us into this. He is rich. Big boss from the south. He drives a G-Wagon.
You are the one, so you are Simon, the boss from the south.
I am.
Larry, you made him build greenhouses. You pay his debt.
Bullshit! You and Great! You beast! I said I'd pay for them! Did I promise? Guarantee it? You built those greenhouses yourself! How is that my fault? Simon, you can't burn bridges like that! You made Leo cut down trees, and that brought the Black Storm! Had you not cut, greenhouses wouldn't have blown away! You must answer for this! What? Get out! I'll take responsibility! Millions invested, all gone! Long staple cotton gone! Buyers from the south, canceled on me! Want 3 million damages! Hey, can't buy a ticket south! Heck, how can I pay? Car already mortgaged. Soon, court seizing it. Poorer than you. No money, just my life.
So you are playing cops, the buck, huh? Don't care who owes whom. Debts have names. I'll find the signer. Oh, file for seizure now. You all, go to village. Their tractors, farm gear, stock. Record, file report, await seal. Seize what we find, until 300,000 paid.
Do it. Do it.
Go photograph the machines. No, Walter. That is my last milking goat. If you seize it, we'll starve. Don't touch my tractor, please. I am begging you. Sir! Oh, thank heavens you are here! Sir, you finally arrived! Please, you must stand up for me!
Hey, who are you? What is your business?
I am here, an investor! I am the contractor here! Director Simon! Sir, hurry and arrest the thug Leo! It is him! It is him! It is him! Taking revenge on society! Crime! Clear-cut! Kilometers of windbreak! This is worse! A major criminal case worth millions! Arrest him at once! Arrest him now! Seize his property! Make him pay for my losses!
Yes, Director, it was Leo.
That night, he hired 5 excavators, dug all night! The whole village heard it! He is a complete lunatic!
So you are Leo. This windward slope, a 10-year-old windbreak. You hired people to uproot it overnight.
I uprooted it. Not a single root left. Completely cleared out.
Leo! Do you know what you are doing?
This forest, even though you funded it yourself.
But it has formed a vital local ecological barrier.
This unauthorized, reckless act,
Mass uprooting! Causing the local microclimate to instantly deteriorate.
Not just caused severe soil erosion.
This black storm caused downstream 10 kilometers road completely buried by yellow sand.
Director, it is worse than expected. lost the windbreak's roots. The stabilized sand and soil have begun to loosen widely. Without restoration soon, next spring, the basin will face desertification danger.
Do you hear? You, the culprit! Arrest him now! Seize his melon field!
Pay compensation!
Director William, I uprooted the trees. True, it wasn't malicious. Not to destroy nature. I was forced to rectify. These trees are 10 years old. The canopy and roots, they've crossed the property red line by 2 meters. Director Simon, through connections, he got this survey map. 3 days ago, he brought dozens of villagers. Blocked my door for illegal land use, for light, water. Ordered, cut the boundary trees in 3 days. Restore the farmland. Threaten me if I refuse. Have your team demolished and take me to court. I am an honest farmer. What I fear most is breaking the law. To obey these red line rules. To prevent roots from crossing again, I had to pay myself. I uprooted all trees overnight, executing strictly the demands of this paper. Leaders sealed it officially. How dare I resist law enforcement?
You applied for the land survey and demanded issuance, the rectification notice. I applied, but sir, I only wanted 2 meters trimmed. Who knew he was insane? And uprooted everything. He cut randomly. He did it deliberately. Shut up! Just for the sunlight on your 2-meter plot. You pulled strings with the red line map to force the farmer with a 10-year windbreak to cut down trees. You are a businessman. You know squat about windbreaks. You don't know. Removing the windbreak's edge will weaken the entire windbreak to plummet. You don't know on the Gobi. Trees uprooted are doomed to die. Leo, although your actions were extreme, he acted within reason. Fulfilled your request. Disposing of his own personal property. And you, Big Boss Simon!
For your petty gains. Abusing rules.
You were the one who forced him! Eco barrier destroyed! The root cause!
Mr. Sunday, your long staple cotton is ruined.
That is your own doing. For selfish gain, forced malicious felling, fragile ecology ruined, harming public, major environmental loss.
Now, we'll settle this account with you. Sir, I am bankrupt. My investment is gone. I am drowning in debt. I don't have a cent left. How can I pay? No money? Then you'll bear the responsibility for ecological restoration. Nature's debt isn't something you can just wash your hands of. After a multiple party assessment, even you maliciously forced the felling, causing massive damage to the windbreak forest, which has caused severe soil erosion. By law, we formally initiate against you ecological environmental damage compensation. First, to prevent you evading compensation, we've sought pre-litigation asset freeze. All your remaining assets here, including equipment and that SUV, will be legally seized and auctioned. The proceeds will be fully used for the initial ecological restoration. No! Don't tow my car! Don't tow my car! That is my life! The cost for restoring the ecology, extremely huge. If you can't pay full compensation, you must bear the responsibility for alternative ecological restoration. This means you'll face a high consumption ban and be blacklisted. Until the ecological debt is paid in full, you must remain here, repaying it through labor, doing on-person for windbreak and sand control, and tree planting efforts to offset the compensation. Leo, though you are in the right legally, the forest's gone. It is the land that suffers. What do you plan to do?
William, 10 years ago, I grew an oasis here, and I can do it again. This year's melon profits, I've ordered it all. New poplar and tamarisk seedlings. I'll start replanting tomorrow. This time, I promise, every tree will be within the red line, not an inch beyond. Well done. What can the county do? Just ask. The reckoning's over. Now comes the moment of rebirth. Time is like Gobi shifting sand. You can't grasp it, yet it marks faces, the deepest marks. Stripped of the windbreak armor all winter long, northwest winds cut with sand and snow, like a knife, lashing against every household's doors and windows.
Leo. No, Leo.
Hey! Make me kneel, Leo. All of us, we're all green, blinded in grace. 10 years back, you saved our lives, guarded us for a decade. But we, for Simon, an empty check. We joined him in forcing you to uproot the trees. This summer, sand wrecked my door, blew it apart. Holding my grandson, I hid. Hearing the wind howl outside, I recalled 10 years back. Leo, I am too ashamed. If our village has no trees, this village will be unlivable. Leo, please forgive us all.
We'll never be greedy for small profits again! That is our lifeline!
Larry, stand up straight. A man's knees are his honor, but the fear on your face and the shame of realization. You kneel for a little sand. This desert doesn't care for tears. And no kneeling. Only one rule you respect it. Spares you, you waste. It swallows you whole. Last year's melon money, apart from uprooting costs, I didn't keep a penny at the rest. All for new saplings. Just last night, 5 full trucks of prime saplings, poplar and tamarisk, have already been delivered to the town.
Leo, you are planting more trees?
Not just to plant, but also plant more than before, and denser than before. Tomorrow morn, I'll get saplings from town. Remember, as long as you sweat, heaven will give us a way to survive.
Unload the truck! Dig deeper! The dead soil must loosen it so the roots can take hold! Okay, Leo! Look, is this pit I dug deep enough? Ouch! Hey.
Do you think the ground here in the Gobi is too hard to dig?
I used to think that with money, you could buy anything. A few bulldozers could level this place in a day.
Easy to level, hard to grow. For your own little patch of sunshine, you crossed nature's red line, moved the land's safeguard. And then, your tens of millions, a 10-hour storm, wiped it out. Don't grip too tight. Use your waist to press down. Slant the shovel in. Avoid the rocks. These 3 years, ordered to plant trees, not to torment you. To make you truly feel it, in this desert, how hard it is for a life to take root. How heavy it truly is.
your 10-year forest. Is that also how it happened? Dug out by one man.
Autumn by autumn, digging. Bucket by bucket, watering. 10 full years.
I'll fill this place with trees. Not over. Not 1 inch beyond.
I watched him, and I knew, 3 years wind and sand, starting to wash the arrogance in his bones. The day he truly brought this forest to life. Then he'll see true reverence.
Leo, tell me. These trees, how long to grow as tall as they were?
I used to plant them by myself. It took 10 years. Now we all plant together. Won't take 10 years. Some think the trees block the light. Block the shortcut to wealth. But they don't know. Nature has no shortcuts. For us, for those in the Gobi, only by planting it. Only keep that line of respect. To keep wealth for generations to come.
Sean, go on!
Oh, Leo! Careful! It is G certified! A golden sign treasure!
West Cloud Water Bake Filter.
Cleaned it out! Leo, don't worry, not a single weed left! Tomorrow, cold chain, trucks coming for goods. Phase 2 drip volume. I guarantee strict control.
To quench its thirst.
Leo, isn't it amazing? 3 years, shovel by shovel, poplar tamarisk, over 5 meters now. It's a strong wind. The northwest wind blew over. Our melon field, not one, no sandstorm here, just coolness left.
Deep roots make the ground stable. Go tell Larry, his new truck, to town, bring back more ice. This heat's brutal. Cool the truck.
Sure thing, Larry was just saying. Who the hell is that? Can't you watch where you are driving? Back off! Nobody move!
What a dump. Air reeks of dirt. And manure stink. Even breathing scrapes the throat.
You are the one running this village. Leo, who leads the melon growing.
Back up 2 steps back. Those shoes, your shoes are on my drip irrigation pipes. You've got quite a temper. I'll introduce myself. I am Tenza Group, Northwest Director. Jason is here in person today to notify you of something.
Let's talk inside.
Leo, keep it brief. Simon went bankrupt. The low-lying land left thousands of acres. Plus this area, White Horse Reservoir, exclusive rights, just last week. My Hengza Group bought out with a heavy sum. What your village made, this sweet netted melon. We saw it in the city. The profit margin's great. The board decided. Fancies your business. Exclusive deal and tech transfer. Sign it. Give me melons, hand over seeds, drought resistant. Check. Surrender it. From now on, your village land is Hengza Group's subcontractor. Every melon you grow must be supplied exclusively to us.
Half the market price.
Don't worry though, you'll lose half the profit. We'll buy it all. You won't need to find buyers. Guaranteed yield. How about to you, bumpkins? Have I not been generous to you?
You can't act this way! We all worked with Leo, achieved with effort. Now, 10 UN per pound is scarce. You demand half profit and seize our seed source. No deal. This is pushing us to our ruin. This is forced purchase! Think we're all pushovers! What are you all doing?
Put down your things. Big boss, here on business. What is this? Bandits?
Haha, forced buying and selling. So, Larry, your words are too crude. This is capital integration. Industry chain disruption.
Leo, I looked into you before coming. You are on the Gobi. From Prestige, a stubborn mule. So you, for this stubborn know-it-all, today I've prepared a second special gift. Leo, open your eyes. Read it word by word. This is White Horse Reservoir water rights and the legal water cut notice. Her additional clauses. We have absolute priority use of water resources. Our group, Simon's bankruptcy in low-lying lands, invested $300 million. Planted huge tracts, water-guzzling premium dry rice. We're critically short of water now. Leo's acquisition deal. You sign today or else! If you dare say no. Noon today at 12. Upstream dam, main canal to village, will be fully shut off. It is peak summer now. Your melons are swelling. Need water daily. Cut water for a week. All those melons will all wither and die. In the Gobi Desert, who controls the water holds your lives in their hands. I am your God.
Water is the Gobi's lifeline. Without water, even the best melons will perish. This water-cutting ploy versus the Black Storm is 1,000 times more vicious.
You can't just do this! This water! We've drunk it for generations! What right do you have to cut it all off? Our melons are nearly ready to sell! You are killing us! Our entire village!
Director Quentin, let's talk this over. We can still deal on the price. Don't cut off the water completely. Leo, don't sign! Signing means no seeds forever. Hangs as unpaid workers. At worst, tonight, the gate. Fight them. Larry! Larry! Larry?
Want to get violent and wreck the dam.
This villager, I warn you. The reservoir, now it is Hengza Group's private property, is protected. If you dare touch us, or harm the dam at all, that is a disturbance and destruction of private property. I swear, prison for your village, a decade behind bars. You'll be bankrupt.
Leo! You're crazy!
Thought you, Leo, were unyielding.
Top guy!
Turns out, just a spineless opportunist.
Smart of you, kid. Against absolute capital. You bumpkins, no matter how high, you'll kneel and lick my shoes.
I signed the notice. I didn't sign the deal. The reservoir's water. You now can take every drop. No need to leave us any.
What does that mean?
You signed the notice, but won't hand over the seeds.
I am telling you, even if you sign and admit defeat, this water,
I'll still cut it off completely today.
by offending Hengza Group, I want to see your vast melon lands all turn to hay. When you harvest nothing, when you are on your knees begging me for a living, I'll pay only 10% to buy you out, this worthless wasteland. Let's go to the dam and shut the gate.
It is over. The water's really cut off.
Oh my god! This life is impossible! Leo!
You are usually sharp. What is wrong today? What possessed you? Why did you sign?
Agreed to cut off the water! Look at this land and these melons! All our hard work gone!
Why cry? Who told you? Village netted melons, at others' mercy. Only with rationed water can we live.
Sean, Larry, bring 2 crowbars. Pry it open.
Leo, down here, how is there such a huge pipe?
Three years after the Black Storm, I spent all melon sales money.
Did you think I only went to buy some saplings?
Over the past 3 years, everyone has made money. Forced you all, in yards and fields, dig 10 meters, the underground cisterns. At the base of the windbreak, lay the most expensive, most advanced deep underground drip irrigation network. You cursed me then. Forgot about wasting money?
There is water underground! There really is water!
Our melons will die!
Quentin, since he loves the upstream water, since he wants legal water monopoly, then satisfy him. Let him use the lowland junk, the White Horse Reservoir's water. Drink it all himself.
He schemed for this water, demanded it back in writing.
I hope that wretched basin of his doesn't drown in it.
Director Quentin, this reservoir has so much water. Our land here, it is like soaking like a pot of gold. At this rate, this year's production, conservatively estimated to exceed 300 million.
What is 300 million? What I care about are those pumpkins next door, their netted melon farm. That's saved. It is the 5th day of the water cut. With this 42-degree heat, even the melons, checked I would dry up. Leo sighed. Are they already crying? Ready to quit.
Sure, Director Quentin, your move is brilliant. Cut off their water, like choking them out. They won't last till tomorrow. Leo will lead the village at our door, pleading, begging you to sign the acquisition agreement.
Kneel and beg me. Now beg me. Too late. Wait till their vines die. I won't give a penny. I'll starve them out. Surrender the sea. Trade for 2 bags of flour. Send 2 drones. Fly above the village. Get me good footage.
I'll arrange it now. Leo, just now. Flurry at the gate. Saw Hang's grip side. Sent 2 drones over. Circling over our melon field. Bastard, definitely here to mock us. Shall I take down that drone?
Why shoot it? Let him look all he wants. You must see, our melons look great. How can he sleep at night? Sean, notify the village to prepare for harvest.
No! Leo, the sun's brutal in daylight. Picking now loses too much moisture. Appearance won't sell. Aren't we picking tomorrow?
Tomorrow's too late. Look over there.
It is about to pour. Gobi, why such a huge cloud?
Days of extreme heat, plus Hengza, large-scale flooding there. Local evap surge, massive moisture swept by convection, northwest cold air. Once in a century, extreme convective storm, and what is worse, 42 heat. Mountain snow, rare rapid melt, deluge plus meltwater peak. White Horse Reservoir, can't hold it.
Director Quentin, the feed is back. Look at this. This is impossible.
What happened? Did they all die?
Absolutely impossible!
"5 days now. I cut their water for 5 days. Gobi, how could they possibly survive?
Where did they get the water? Some system! Director Quentin, look at the lower right corner of the screen.
An underground cistern with deep drip irrigation. That damn Leo. Without our knowledge, below, set up such a massive water collection system. He anticipated my move.
Call the excavator now! Dig up their wells! Cut off all their irrigation pipes!
Sir, reservoir trouble. The reservoir's about to burst.
Stop your nonsense! Holds millions of cubic meters. Watching monitors. 3 meters below the dam!
Weather changed, sir. Please go look outside. Continuous heat. Mountain snow melting too fast. Just now, meltwater surge. Floods merged today, forming a mud flow, directly rushing into the reservoir. Level surged in 30 mins. Surged 2 meters over the danger line. Pressure valve has developed cracks.
What is the holdup? Open gates now!
Release the flood. But
Why can't you release the flood? Are all those sluice gates just for show?
Director forgot. Main outlet. Main flood channel. You ordered it 5 days ago. 10 tons of quick dry cement, completely sealed. Didn't leave a single gap. So, the other channels? Any other outlet? Only one way! The sole opening! Dwarfs, odd roots, vast lowlands, rain channels. If we release flood now, massive volume of muddy flood water floods down channels back into our own basin. It is the lowest point. No way to drain out.
No! We can't release the flood water! That is 300 million! The group will kill me for my money! Get engineers to blow it! Blow up that concrete wall! Send water to Leo's village! Drown those bumpkins!
Done. The system opened the gates automatically. Oh my god.
Leo, 8 fridge trucks from the province. Inside now. Lewis says top quality. 12 per pound. You buys all.
Mode by the book, weigh, and collect the money.
Please save me. Open the deep drainage, the underground drainage pipes. Move the water from our basin. Divert it into your underground caves.
Soak for 2 more days. Concentrate. The saline water seeps in completely.
That land is ruined forever. 300 million investment ruined. The group will tear me apart. I'll be in jail for life. Please, have mercy. Spare me. If you release water, the deal is off. I'll pay 10 million. No, 20 million.
Now you are begging us.
Where is your god? Go beg him.
It is you! You want them dry! Turn to kindling! Take a good look now! Whose land is turning into a mud pit!
Master Leo, wrong. I really know I am wrong. I beg you, show mercy.
Director Quentin, you taught me yesterday. It is in black and white. Rule of law. Per this notice, the third addendum, Tengza Group has upstream access and related flows, exclusive control and control rights. Any downstream party may not, for any cause, block or redirect flows meddle with its water. Mr. Quentin, a massive saline flood, now Tengza Group's sacrosanct. He's honest farming bumpkins, not with 100 guts. Never touch your assets, not a single drop. Keep this water for yourself. Drink it slow.
Sean, Larry, stop gawking. Get them into work. The sun is out. Load up and count the money.